Okay, let's feed Olivia. She don't have no food in her plate. We're giving 8 portions, and look, here comes her babies to eat with her. Olivia, you're gonna share with Oliver? Oh, Mr. Oliver, you want to eat too, huh? Say, Olivia, can you move to the side? We're here to do the automatic pet feeder. Okay, I just took it out of the box, and inside the box it came with this large thing right here, and inside here on the back it has a little button right here. You open it up and everything comes inside. It has the little dish that goes in the front. It has the wall connection, the USB, and the instructions. Guess what? They're on here so you don't lose certain instructions, but you also get a manual right here. Okay, let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, this is so easy. This one, all it did was connect it like that. You see your Wi-Fi right here buttons. Here you see an empty bowl. Nice empty bowl. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see. We're gonna put in some kibble for these hungry little kitties. They're hearing my kibble. There they are. They're waiting for their kibble. Okay, now let's go ahead and close this up. I love how it has to have the button. That way little smart cats cannot open it without the button. Okay, here on the bottom is where it gets connected. You see that little hook right there? It goes here and it goes in there. And it also has, so you can lock in for your batteries. If you want to put batteries, let's say you don't want to have it connected to the wall, you're traveling or something, having batteries with it will be perfect. Or the power's out, you could still feed your cat on the automatic with batteries on it. Okay, so with this one here, this is a lid. Here, you open it up, and you might think, this little pouch, oh, it just comes to protect the stuff. You know, you get it on your shoes and stuff, so it doesn't get moist and it stays dry. You put in your little package here. Put this here. You have it here. Let's go ahead and set up. We're here to downloading the app. Easy, just type it in and you'll find it. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm setting it up. Okay, so there it goes. It ends up, it put add a device. You're gonna put here, adding device. If you can see, pairing. Let's go ahead and do our pairing. And you can see my light there starting to work. So it's searching for my device. Okay, so we have added it onto our system, and it says right here, pet food shortages. I didn't fill it up. I would have thought, a little bit to try it. And guess what? You see that little sensor right there? That will tell you're short on pet food in there. So this is on the app. I put it on my iPad. So I'm gonna set up, since it's 8:45, let's go ahead and set it up 8:40, 8:50 right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the 3 portions, confirm it, save it. Okay, let's see. And it records your feed history. So let's go ahead. You see the food shortage. Let's go ahead and add some food. Okay. Ooh, Olivia sees it. Oh, Olivia, do you not have food? Oh, what time is it? Oh, she wants her food. There you go. Like magic. It's your little vending machine food maker. That's delicious, huh, Olivia? And you notice her kibble didn't get stuck. It came out perfectly. It let her know her kibble was in there, because since the bowl is steel, you could hear the food fall in it. Ooh, there she is. She came. She's like, oh, it's lunchtime.